Jocelyn is a real estate professional from New Jersey. And if I was looking to be able to navigate, to move out the city towards the suburbs in Montclair, I could not think of a better real estate professional. See, what Jocelyn has is she has the spirit, the tenacity, the fire that you'd expect. But what she has that you don't expect is she has the ability to be humble, to learn, to really try and understand what's important to her clients. Jocelyn is a people-focused professional that has all of the attributes to win.
My name is Jocelyn Russo, and I am a real estate professional. I chose to deepen my understanding because I talk for a living, and moving kind of sucks. And so I want to be able to just make it the best experience. So by asking the right questions and talking correctly, I think will help with, achieve that. This work is really important for my clients because I want to be able to better help them. And I think that asking the right questions helps them understand their needs. What I will do differently now that I've been through this program is practice more on what to say. Like if I have an appointment next week, I'm gonna plan with all of my questions and everything. I'm just gonna become better all around, personally, business, and as a leader. I already feel more growth in just the 2 days. So I can just imagine when I immerse myself in this stuff. So the experience has been absolutely amazing, and I'm extremely happy that I came.